today's Vlogmas video, we are going to be doing a bake with me, and we're going to be making some peppermint mocha banana bread. I mean, are you kidding? So basically festive banana bread. I got this from Gabby. Her Instagram is Gabacado. I just found her. It was literally on my For You page, TikTok, wow. My Explore page, and I saw it and was like, oh my god, okay, I have to make that. So that's what it looks like. So I'm not gonna put candy canes, I don't have any, but we are gonna make this and it's gonna be delicious. So I figured we would do that together for this vlog. I was working all day and literally the vlog would have been so boring, so I figured we should do a festival bake with me. And I saw on my comments in my last video that you guys really liked the baking portion and cooking portion of my last vlog, so I will definitely include that and more, and I figured this would be awesome to include. So let's bake. You're gonna wanna preheat your oven at 350. You are going to need, I'm just gonna pull up the recipe, oat flour, cacao powder, baking soda, baking powder, ground coffee, banana. They use unsweetened applesauce. I'm gonna use pumpkin, maple syrup, plant milk, peppermint extract, dark chocolate, and if you want, you can add candy canes on top, but I don't have candy canes. So yeah, we're gonna start. First, you need 1.5 cups oat flour. I'm just going to blend up some oats because I find it easier that way. 1 and a half, and then just blend it up. Honestly, people who buy like already blend oat flour, that is so expensive. Like this huge thing of oats is from Costco and you just blend it up and it's so much cheaper. So tip, you can always use oat flour when they use coconut flour, almond flour. Just blend oats and boom, you're good if you're vegan or gluten-free or whatever. Alright, so we have our oat flour, and then you're just gonna plop it in the bowl. Just like that. Next is cacao powder. You need 1/2 cup. So I just got this cacao. Oh my god, I'm so stupid. I literally went out to get this cacao and I totally could have gotten the candy cane. Whoops. But that's okay. I'm just opening this up. It smells so freaking good. Oh my god. But I'm just gonna grab, alrighty, and 1/2 cup. Also, I'm like not a good baker. I just do wet and dry all in one bowl. I know that's wrong, but that's what I do. Next, 3/4 teaspoon baking soda. How are you guys doing? Are you guys wherever you live in lockdown? Because we're in lockdown and I'm honestly handling it pretty well. 1/2 teaspoon baking powder. I just feel like we're all kind of used to it now, so it doesn't really affect us, but it's so great that it's like Christmassy because there's so many festive things you can do at home, like watching movies and baking and doing little Christmas crafts. Like, I don't know, maybe it's just me. Next, I love this part, ground coffee and baking. Like, are you kidding? Unless you're not a coffee lover, then maybe this one isn't for you. Or chocolate. If you don't like chocolate or coffee, you're gonna hate this. But you need 2 tablespoons of ground coffee. I use the President's Choice Great Canadian light to medium roast. It smells so good. I love coffee. So I'm gonna do 2 heaping tablespoons because, like I said, I am a coffee addict. And then I'm just gonna mix what we have right now, so it's like this, together, and that'll be all the dry ingredients. Okay, so next we need to add a mashed banana. For this, I'm just gonna mash this separately on a plate. I don't know why I always do that, I just find it easier.
Let's go outside. The snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snow.
Okay, so that's perfect and in there. So like I said, if you have applesauce, use that now. But I just already have some pure pumpkin open, which is like the same thing really. So I'm just gonna use this, and you need a 1/3 cup.
Down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me. With the
Next, take 1/2 cup of maple syrup. I honestly never never measure maple syrup, so I'm just gonna eyeball it. Next, you need a 1/4 cup plant milk. So I'm just gonna use my 1/2 cup since it's already dirty, and just do 1/2 of a 1/2, obviously. So here we are, and pour that in. You're gonna need 1/2 teaspoon of peppermint extract. Once again, I am just gonna eyeball it. As you can tell, I don't really follow recipes that time. I'm just gonna do like a little spritz of that. Perfect. And then you add as many chocolate chips as your desire. I love chocolate chips, so I'm gonna be adding a lot, and then blend it all together. Blend, mix.
As quirky as mine, we're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh.
Okay, so as you can tell, I'm not talented with parchment paper, but I just put it in a little loaf pan. One thing I like to do, totally optional, is just put a few chocolate chips on the top just to make it look a little pretty.
Making plans for what we're gonna do. I feel so blessed that I can be with you. 'Cause God knows that I've been longing for you. I just wanna hold you close. You know the stars are shining just for you. Let's take a walk and we can follow the moonlight till we reach a place we can stay. Maybe kiss a bit and dream away.